One of the things I especially like about this sort of marinade slash dressing, yeah, it works both ways. You can marinate your steak with it, and then when you serve the steak, you drizzle some more. So I'm gonna reserve half for eating the steak, and we're gonna marinate with half the steak. But one of the things I really appreciate about doing when I do this, especially in the summertime, is that a lot of things, the ingredients comes out of my garden. For instance, we've got parsley out of the garden, tomato out of the garden, chives out of the garden, garlic out of my garden, and same thing with the fresh thyme. To those ingredients, we'll need some extra virgin olive oil. Full list of ingredients and everything else will be found on CaribbeanPot.com. I've got some pepper flakes if you want to use fresh pepper. So if you have any spicy pepper that you like, or you can leave it out, you just chop it up fine if you're using fresh pepper. Some red wine vinegar. We've got a couple of lemons. We need some sea salt, an onion, and some orange juice. Everything is all chopped up and ready to go. So finally dice the tomato, the chive. We've got the thyme. All the woody sort of stems I took off and discarded, and then I chopped it up, give everything a good wash, chopped up the onion, the parsley, the garlic. I put it through my garlic press, so you want to crush the garlic. Two things I forgot earlier to mention. Two key ingredients in my humble opinion, and I can't believe I forgot about it. I also juiced the lemons, so both lemons are in there. Some light soy sauce and some golden brown sugar. If you don't have sugar, or if you don't want to use sugar, you can use honey. Honey would be a great replacement here. From time to time I do mix it up. What I also should mention is the orange juice is straight out of a package, but I buy I don't know if it makes a difference or not, that organic orange juice at the Costco. Man, that thing, proper things. Anyhow, we're just gonna combine all of this and then we're done. Nice big bowl. I mean to say it's oversized simply because I want you guys to be able to better see it. The thyme, yeah, we got time for time. We've got the onion, all diced up. Like I need that small spoon. How will I want to join the festivities today, sir? Come on. Waste not, want not, mommy to say, We've got all of that parsley, finely chopped up as well. I've got the tomato all diced up. And you can use any tomato. I just find that, well, I love the flavor. There's nothing beats freshly harvested tomato from your garden. But if all you have is ones from the grocery store, I would recommend getting Roma tomatoes because they're more meaty and less runny, I guess. I've got the chives. Now if you don't have chives, I'm just lucky I have it in the garden, then it comes up every year. By the way, if you're making this and your chive is in flowers, like during the flowering season of the chive, put some of the flowers in here. I'm telling you, boy, that is proper things. The pepper flakes, and remember I said if you wanted to use fresh pepper, any sort of habanero, jalapeno, scotch bonnet, serrano, whatever, if you want moruga scorpion, put it in there. It's totally up to you. What I was going to say, if you don't have chives, you can use scallion, green onion, some people call it spring onion, garlic, all diced up, and that's an entire head of garlic. I think it was about 6 cloves of garlic in total. Ground black pepper. We've got the wine vinegar, red wine vinegar. If you have sherry vinegar or if you have champagne vinegar, rock that. The lemon juice, soy sauce, brown sugar. I'm gonna hit that a good. I will not salt my steak, so I'm gonna add my salt here, but be mindful that later on when you're serving the steak, you're also going to use this as a sort of a topping or a dressing as well too. So have your head on kind of thing with the salt, the orange juice, and to pull it all together, we've got extra virgin olive oil. I've been playing around with the lighting there, so you'll see different sort of lighting in the video. I do apologize for that. It's early morning here and the window is facing east, which means there's sunlight coming in and just messing up with everything. Anyhow, whisk that all together, and you can see there's a lot I made here. So what I'm going to do is pour this in half into a container, and then the rest of it, and that container is going to go into the fridge, and the rest of it we're going to pour all over our steaks. Gonna hit that one more quick stir. We're gonna grab a bit of it, put it on the bottom, like so. This way the underside of the steaks get in contact with the marinade as well. You know, and this is a great opportunity, I'm not sure if I've said it before, to use a cheaper cut. This is about 1 inch thick. So it will take a while to marinate, but it's a great opportunity to use a cheaper cut of beef. This is called sirloin tip here in Canada. I'm not sure what it's called in the US or wherever you are located, but you know, if you want to get maximum flavor out of a cheap cut of steak, this is the way to go. I kid you not, this thing here, proper things. Now what I must mention, you won't see me do it because I'm gonna wrap up this video now and put it out there for you guys to see. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna allow this to marinate. I'm gonna put some plastic wrap over it into the fridge, allow it to marinate for about 3-4 hours, and then I'm gonna take it out an hour before I want to grill it. I want a nice hot grill, whether it's charcoal or propane, a nice hot grill, and then you would toss them on there, not for long. You want it pink inside. Yeah, I might like the little pink. A medium steak is the best in my humble opinion. But what I was going to say is the same marinade that you see there, the first couple minutes of grilling, I would use that same marinade and toss it as it grills. More flavor. I'm telling you, banging flavors. Yeah, and I'm only saying the first couple minutes because I know a lot of people are concerned about cross-contamination. The marinade been in contact with raw beef and all that. You know, some people eat raw beef tartare. Come on now. But anyhow, that is how you would do it. Sub soldiers, listen, if you enjoy this recipe, I'd really appreciate it if you hit subscribe and click that bell notification thing. If you've made the recipe, take a picture and send it to me. Email address down here. I'm really trying to tell people the email address. Them butts will take the address and do all kind of thing with it. And tag me on Instagram at Caribbean Pod. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks for being in my kitchen with me today. Irie. Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com. Always a pleasure having you all in the kitchen with me. The ultimate steak marinade and dressing, in my humble opinion. I do hope you all get the opportunity to give this one a try. Yo, the thing just banging with flavors, and you can tell, you know, we love herbs and all that kind of thing in the Caribbean. So, yo, this is just natural, you know what I mean? Anyhow, the container. Let me show you all the container. So I still have this here, and this will remain in the fridge for about a week or two if you want to do it and keep it in the fridge. But I'm telling you, my daughters, when they eating this steak tonight, them drinking that like, yo, I can't say what. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.